Looking for a powerful yet affordable device that delivers top performance? The best tablet for the money combines speed, vibrant display, and long battery life. Perfect for streaming, gaming, or productivity, it offers premium features without the premium price. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. TABWEE 11-inch tablet. The TABWEE 11-inch tablet is a futuristic device that combines the latest Android 16 operating system with Gemini AI 2.0, making it a true step ahead in the tablet market. It's designed for professionals, students, and creatives who want both power and portability. The interactive Android 16 system ensures smooth navigation, while Gemini AI enhances productivity by converting voice notes into reports or optimizing photos in low light instantly. Its 11-inch FHD edge-to-edge display offers stunning visuals, anti-reflective protection, and a 120 Hz touch response, making it equally effective for sketching with the included stylus or binge-watching Netflix in crisp detail. And 128GB storage, expandable to 2TB, it handles heavy multitasking, gaming, and media storage with ease. The large 8,000 mAh battery delivers 10 hours of video playback or 8 hours of gaming, powered by AI-driven efficiency to last longer than competitors. On the connectivity side, 5G Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.0 ensures smooth streaming and fast pairing. The 13-megapixel AI-enhanced camera with Google Lens makes it great for work, study, or capturing daily life. For those seeking innovation, this tablet is a perfect mix of performance, creativity, and endurance. Number 2. Amazon Fire Max Tablet. The Amazon Fire Max tablet delivers a polished balance of performance, design, and entertainment, making it one of the most versatile options available. Its 11-inch display with over 2.4 million pixels ensures everything from movies to games looks sharp and vibrant, while low blue light certification helps reduce eye strain during extended use. Built with durability in mind, its strengthened aluminum design makes it 3 times tougher than the iPad 10.9-inch in durability tests, giving it a sturdy edge for everyday use. The Fire Max also offers excellent battery life, lasting up to 14 hours for reading, watching videos, or web browsing, making it ideal for travel and busy lifestyles. With storage options of 64GB or 128GB, expandable up to 1TB via microSD, you'll have plenty of space for apps and media. It also introduces new smart tools to save time, from web page summarization to polished email drafting, making it as useful for work as it is for entertainment. Optional accessories like the Fire Max 11 keyboard case and stylus pen further extend its usability, providing flexibility for students, professionals, or families. Number 3. Callsky-Pro Tablet. The Callsky-Pro Tablet is a powerhouse designed for users who need a portable yet highly functional device. With its expansive 14.1-inch FHD Plus display, it delivers crisp visuals ideal for creative work, streaming, or handling documents. What sets it apart is its built-in 4G LTE support, allowing you to stay connected on the go, even without Wi-Fi. The design emphasizes practicality, weighing just 2.2 pounds, and comes with a foldable case that supports multiple angles for hands-free video calls, recipe browsing, or workouts. It's especially suited for campus life, business trips, or frequent travelers. The device supports Widevine L1, ensuring high-definition streaming on platforms like Netflix and Prime Video, while quad speakers provide an immersive audio experience. With a large 10,000 mAh battery, the tablet offers long-lasting usage, and the 18W USB-C fast charging feature gets you back online quickly. For professionals, students, or entertainment seekers, the Callsky-Pro is a reliable all-around device that blends productivity, entertainment, and connectivity into one. It's a smart choice for anyone needing a versatile Android 15 tablet with both size and power. Number 4. TABWEE Tablet. The TABWEE Tablet with Android 15 and Gemini AI offers a smart, adaptable experience designed to keep up with the demands of modern life. The sound is immersive, making it excellent for movies, reading, or gaming. With up to 24 GB RAM, 8 GB base plus RAM expansion, and 256 GB storage, expandable to 2 TB, the tablet ensures smooth multitasking and ample space for files, games, and media. Powered by a T615 octa-core processor, performance is boosted by 30% over older versions, while dual-band 5G Wi-Fi keeps downloads and video calls stable and fast. The Gemini AI features include predictive text, real-time translations, and smarter multitasking that adapts to your needs, adding efficiency to both work and play. Its 8,000 mAh battery lasts over 12 hours, making it ideal for long workdays or travel. And fast charging restores 50% power in just 40 minutes. Lightweight yet powerful, the TABWEE Tablet stands out as a dependable option for students, professionals, or casual users who want a device that seamlessly blends entertainment, productivity, and smart features in one sleek package. Number 5. TECLAST Tablet. The TECLAST T65 Max tablet is a feature-packed 13-inch device that balances performance, entertainment, and practicality. Its eye protection display with 1920 by 1200 resolution ensures vivid visuals while minimizing blue light exposure, making it ideal for long study or streaming sessions. Certified with Widevine L1, the tablet lets you enjoy Netflix, Prime Video, and YouTube in full HD clarity. Powered by the MediaTek Helio G99 processor, it's optimized for smooth gaming and multitasking, while the massive 10,000 mAh battery supports up to 10 hours of use, perfect for all-day productivity or travel. With 18W fast charging, downtime is minimal. Running on Android 15, the T65 Max combines speed and security with 8 GB RAM, expandable by an additional 12 GB, and 256 GB internal storage that supports up to 1 TB via microSD. Whether you're storing apps, videos, or music, space won't be an issue. The 4-speaker system delivers balanced, immersive sound, and it supports both USB-C and 3.5mm connections for flexible audio options. Parents will appreciate built-in parental controls for safe usage by children. The dual cameras, 13-megapixel rear and 8-megapixel front, handle photos and video calls effectively, while dual-band Wi-Fi ensures reliable connectivity. Overall, the TECLAST T65 Max is a strong contender for those seeking a large-screen Android tablet with powerful features, long battery life, and family-friendly versatility. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.